it's a bit hard to grip onto him.
Let's do the camera trick before we go.
Drop it down like water, oh yeah. I'll make it hot right now. Gravity is tight. Drop it down like water, like water. Just let it go right now. Oh, gravity is tight. Oh, drop it down like water. Like water. Just let it go right now. Oh, gravity is tight. Oh, drop it down like water. 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 Like water.
Hey, well that's pretty sweet. That was pretty sweet.
Alright.
Right, mate.
Made it down the track, alright?
Well, as soon as you got a little roof over your head, it's almost like you're home.
You got the plug in?
Not as big as that first one, but it's not too bad.
Yeah, it's a good size.
Oh crap! Yeah. Crap!
Oh no!
He's after.
Uh-oh.
Money
Okay.
escaped. You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Nice shot.
There we go.
Oh, that's a monster.
Alright, I'll have to chuck it in real quick. Oh, it's because that rope was in there.
Think you guys with it?
Females. A few big ones are just females. We'll get this one out. That's the.
Why are you using that thing?
So we can get him out first. So let's see this one. Look, ready? Watch him strike it. Ready? Oh! Oh God, he's heavy. Oh! Oh my God. Stand high, give us space. Alright, Jody, you go now.
No. He's got to go in 7 times or it doesn't count.
Come on, Jody, go.
Mate, I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing pants. You'll have to fast forward this bit off me a while.
Using every
Kaito.
excuse under the
What?
sun.
Why don't you hand the camera to Grandpa.
Alright, here you go.
Put on you went in. Let's see if he can jump over the bush.
No, it's already filming, so you don't have to press it. Just point. Just look at the screen and point.
Cut it? What? Where are we going to run from?
Everywhere.
There's mate. We're going to cut our feet, then we're going to jump in the water, and the shark are right there. We're going all at the same time, holding hands.
No, I'm going.
Make 3. Okay.
This is not going to go well, but whatever.
What was that?
How does that? Kind of got his hair washed, that's the start.
3, 2, 1.
We're Barney!
Really?
So we're going to get this big crab out. We'll do the biggest one first, just to get it on camera. What size is that nipper? So I've had these on ice for a while. So they're all like knocked out. See that? You can stick your finger in there, it doesn't matter. Alright, so pro tip that I learnt today. Here it is. You got like a little hook thing. It's got a little edge on it. That is perfect for gut crab. So you can see here, sharp point on it, so it's a male, which you're allowed to keep it, and obviously this is easily sized. So what you want to do is pry that off first, and then just break that off. You basically want to clean up as much stuff as you can before you break it open. Alright, then you just want to pry off from the back. Like that. Alright, I'm going to size that. So there's the top shell. And all that sort of crap in there you don't want. All these are the filters and the bloody lungs. You don't want any of that crap. Anything that's white in here you can eat. The rest of it is just useless. Like that. And then you want to start cleaning out the inside. This is where the Leatherman tool is useful. Free section through the middle there. Like that. What you want to do is grab on either side and lever it in. So you crack it through there, and then you can break it through the base like that. Now you got two halves to your crab. Let's put one aside. Just want to clean up first. So again, just get all this sort of stuff off. Alright, so you've just got white meat in there, all the insides are out, and you've got the legs and the claw on the end. So yeah, now we're just going to do the other side. But that's how you pretty much prepare it, and then that'll go straight into the boiling water for 10-15 minutes, pull it out, and it's ready to eat.
Holy crap.
Look at that.
Show us. That's a monster, eh?
If you've got hold of your finger, you take it off.
Back it in.
Go this way, sort of.
And just cook it on charcoal, eh?
Yep, and we're doing it in the Uniflame skillet at the moment. We've just got this crab in here. So you can see there, pretty shallow water, and we just got nice boiling water there.
Size that nipper.
Here we are. Crab's finished. And that's the red drumstick.
What do they call it? The crab wishbone or something? Drumstick? Remember how to get the drumstick?
Focus on the press manual.
Who is gonna get bogged on this trip?
Stop. Flash your lights. Flash your lights.
Wait. Stop. Oh, crap.
Blow your horn.